Are you thinking about renovating your home in New Jersey? Whether it's upgrading your kitchen or giving your bathroom a modern touch, smart design choices can transform your space and boost your home's value. Let's dive into everything you need to know about kitchen sinks, cabinet hardware, and faucets to make your renovation a success. First, let's talk about kitchen sinks, the true workhorse of your kitchen. If you're aiming for a classic look, consider a farmhouse sink with its deep basin and timeless appeal. For busy families, a workstation sink is perfect. It comes with built-in accessories like cutting boards and drying racks to save space and add functionality. And don't forget about materials. Stainless steel is a durable, budget-friendly option, while fireclay offers a high-end, scratch-resistant finish for a more rustic aesthetic. Now, let's move to cabinet hardware, the small detail that can make a big impact. Modern kitchens shine with sleek, matte black pulls, while traditional spaces come alive with antique finishes. When choosing hardware, size matters. Larger pulls work great for wide drawers, while smaller knobs add charm to upper cabinets. And remember, always match your hardware finish with your faucets and other accents for a cohesive look. Finally, let's talk about faucets. Pull-down faucets are perfect for large sinks, offering flexibility and ease of use. For a touch of luxury, consider touchless faucets. They're convenient, hygienic, and perfect for busy New Jersey families. Popular finishes for 2025 include matte black, brushed nickel, and polished chrome, each adding a unique personality to your kitchen. Renovating your home can feel overwhelming, but focusing on high-impact upgrades like sinks, hardware, and faucets makes a huge difference. If you're in New Jersey, work with trusted local professionals to bring your vision to life. For more ideas and quality products, visit rtakb.com, your one-stop shop for all things kitchen and bathroom.